Ladies and gentlemen, we recorded a whole podcast, but this idiot did not push the record button. So now all of it is gone, and here is Fuzzy commenting on it.
देखो, this is the second time this has happened. Last time मेरी audio नहीं थी, इस दफा तेरी तस्वीर भी नहीं, audio भी नहीं है. And we've come back and we even said lots of तारीफें of Masuma Shirazi for arranging this.
We went through the whole Chief Justice and Krusty story.
Krusty story, the militancy, the
Politics, the governor rule.
future. हाँ,
What else did we discuss?
बहुत कुछ था और खुश भी थे, लेकिन ये फिर भाई ने ख्वार किया है.
और अब
हाँ,
हमारा मूड नहीं है.
ठीक है, बस फिर फ्राइडे पे आते हैं, फिर करते हैं.
नहीं, लेकिन क्रस्टी वाली स्टोरी तो सुनाए ना.
आई एम सो थर्स्टी मैन.
पानी ले आ पानी.
हाँ.
तो ये अब तूने ही इस चीज को फिक्स करना. What I want to say lanat,
इस पे लानत.
but then you'll have to explain the story.
You'll have to explain this to me.
This is my way of restarting you
Oof.
with the mic in hand.
I can't believe कि दूसरी दफा हो गया. How do we know these things are recording even this time?
Let me check.
हाँ,
This is recording.
this is recording.
This is also recording.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
Wait, let me check this sound also. Yes.
उसका भी साउंड चेक कर लो.
No, the sound is on the same. Yes. Finally, after two failed podcasts,
Two failed
we're
podcasts.
just sitting here ranting, and this will go up as a podcast.
This will go up as a podcast.
And I even calculated it like there is a TLP guy
हाँ,
who sent Lanat to the Chief Justice,
yes,
got fired by Krusty's the next day.
yeah.
A month and a half later, released a video of sending Lanat on the Chief Justice.
Yes.
And the PTI went crazy and went to Krusty's and gave them Corona ka business.
Stopped being burgers and became donuts.
Become donuts,
हाँ,
not for PTI.
हाँ. वो तो बाद में उनको पता लग गया कि not only did Krusty's fire the guy,
The guy was TLP.
the guy was TLP, and it was for that TLP case the Chief Justice was doing, जो एक बंदे ने material disseminate किया था लेकिन कानून नहीं था. And
The question is,
Yeah.
and now since we're redoing this question came to my mind the last time we were
Huh.
recording. If the Chief Justice, according to the TLP, fixed the judgment,
yes,
why did the TLP guy release the video?
हाँ, I think he was taking credit for it. भाई जो था, look, he was a very
Oh, so it was the donut that made the TLP case. वो उसकी जो judgment थी.
नहीं, ये तो दरमियान में कोई सिक्योरिटी इशू आ गया था कि देवर लाइक कोई भी नहीं जज कर रहा था.
PTI वाले Krusty's क्यों जा रहे हैं?
वो समझ रहे थे कि यार ये देखें इनके एम्प्लॉयज़ इतने अच्छे हैं, इसने लानत भी बेच दी.
वो एम्प्लॉय तो था ही नहीं.
वो उनको तो नहीं पता था.
1.5 महीना पहले फायर हो चुका.
हाँ, they didn't know, they thought कि ये अभी हुआ है. ये they thought
और
the
उनको
video
लगा
was
कि
current.
एम्प्लॉय इसलिए लानत भेज रहे क्योंकि वो PTI के खिलाफ.
पीटीआई के खिलाफ या आइन के खिलाफ है. और फिर पता लग गया कि 10 दिन की सैलरी भी क्रस्टीज ने नहीं दी. लेकिन बाय देन कोई 60 लाख का बिजनेस पीटीआई ने दे दिया था उनको.
I think जब the chief minister KP came to Atak,
हाँ,
somebody told him in his ear, वो Krusty's की स्टोरी गलत है.
गलत है. इतना जज्बा नहीं है इस्लामाबाद में.
He said, let's go back.
Let's go back. हाँ,
Yeah, what did we discuss in the
हाँ.
we went from this to what?
मैं तो अभी कहता हूँ we'll park it here, we'll release this as it is, and then on Friday with some energy we'll come back. भाई जो है
Thing
ना,
is, on Friday I wanted to ask Tipu to come.
we'll bring Tipu. That's fine. This will be the short episode introducing how important Tipu is.
This is to tell everyone that we are alive.
Yes, that we are back.
And we've sorted our issues
वी
out.
सॉर्टेड आवर इश्यूज आउट. अब जो है ना हमसे बटन नहीं दबाया जाता.
Yes.
पहले टेक काम नहीं कर, अब बटन हमसे नहीं दबाया जाता.
We have a young new producer
हाँ,
who is good for nothing.
पानी भी 10 मिनट पहले मंगाया. वो पता नहीं
I'm sure
खुद
that-
H2O बना रहे हैं कहीं.
अच्छा वो अपने लिए जब हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे ना पीछे चावल का पूरा डब्बा लेके आया
अच्छा.
और बैठ के खुद एंड आई थॉट वो कैमरा में आ जाएगा. उसको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ा. एंड देन ही कम्स एंड ही स्टॉप्स द रिकॉर्डिंग
हाँ.
एंड ही सेज ओ ये तो स्टार्ट हो गया.
ये तो स्टार्ट हो गया है. Oh man.
या
ठीक है फिर.
सो यस
Let's bring it to a close, and then on
we
Friday
did quite a lot of anti-establishment stuff.
we were very brave, but nobody could see it.
दे दो यार.
सर ये पानी आपने खुद बनाया?
Yes.
अच्छा ठीक है. बर्फ को उबाल के इसने बनाया हमारे लिए.
यार था तूने हमारे साथ अच्छा नहीं किया.
मैंने सुबह एक ईस्टर एग दिया था. मैंने कहा था 2 रिकॉर्ड करेंगे.
क्या?
मैंने सुबह कहा था 2 रिकॉर्ड करेंगे.
यार अब हम प्रोफेशनल हो रहे हैं. यू कैन ओनली कीप योर एनर्जी अप फॉर वन.
Yes.
और क्वालिटी ला रहे हैं.
And the one is the half of the old.
और तू गिटार भी जब बजाता है ना, तो ये जो तेरी उंगलियां हैं, तो ये ऑन बटन क्यों नहीं करते? तू पूरा कॉर्ड पकड़ता है, चेंज करता है, पावर कॉर्ड लाता है.
बहुत कुछ.
हाँ.
दोनों में वो रिकॉर्ड के बटन सेम है. उसके अंदर शटर बटन से होता है, उसमें मैंने शटर बटन दबाया.
अच्छा.
तो
But I didn't even take a picture.
नहीं, उस मूवी मोड में नहीं होता.
Whatever.
Fresh edit
Taha, the last time
Huh.
you didn't record the audio, that was the highest grossing
हाँ.
podcast in my head. Right?
हाँ.
और इस बार हम जिस एनर्जी के साथ आए थे हमने वो
ताहा
दबाई
जरा
नहीं.
आओ, मैं अब की शक्ल बस लोगों को दिखाना चाहता हूँ.
अगली पॉडकास्ट में मैं
Please.
नहीं, आई वांट टू शो. आ
No,
जाना, आ जाना,
now you have to
आ
join.
जाना, ज्वाइन.
ओके
ता-
आज पॉडकास्ट.
हाँ, आओ यहाँ बैठ जाओ, मैं तुझे
तू
जगह देता
इधर
हूँ.
एक सेकंड इधर आ.
हाँ.
नीचे बैठेगा.
यहाँ ये नीचे बैठे.
नीचे बैठेगा.
इस पे वो पेंट गंदी हो जाएगी.
आप क्या काम करते हैं ताहा?
I sometimes forget to press the record button,
हाँ.
and otherwise I work here and there as well.
On what?
ये एहसन खान है ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग पॉडकास्ट.
नहीं इसके मुझे
He
तो कुछ और
works
लगी.
here and there.
Yes.
हाँ.
I work here and there.
उस दिन एक मेहमान आया था उसका हेयर स्टाइल और मुझे देख के कहता है ये मैक्सिकन पॉर्न स्टार को.
यार वैसे मैं तुझे एक चीज़ बताऊँ ना, ये वाकई ये सॉर्ट ऑफ जेन जी जेन अल्फा जो है ना, ये मुख्तलिफ है.
तेरी क्या एज है?
22.
हाँ ना. सो नो दिस इज मे बी आई शुड एडमायर
उम्र
दिस.
की है.
ये अगर मैंने इस उम्र में ये काम किया होता ना, मैं तो यहाँ से छलांग मार लेता कि ये मुझे अब क्या कहने वाले हैं. लेकिन डूड इज कूल, ही इज रिलैक्स.
Dude is cool. Dude brought the water in 10 minutes.
वो उसमें भी अर्जेंसी नहीं थी. वो कहते हैं रिलैक्स करके लाता
Have
हूँ.
you heard their language though?
हाँ, ये क्या कहते हैं, रिज शिज कहते हैं.
Riz, skibidi.
No cap.
नो कैप.
No cap for real, for real.
हाँ.
Oh, this guy.
हाँ.
This guy has a very dark sense of humor.
अच्छा.
So
No cap.
dark
हाँ.
that he can't joke at his home, I think,
हाँ.
and he's not
I
allowed to.
can't even joke on camera
हाँ.
because it might.
Oh, and you can't also operate the camera.
The joke's on you. So, you wanted us to record a second one? We are.
We are.
Today we're going to talk about Kamala Harris and Trump. I don't know nothing about them, so guys, please.
हाँ.
Sure.
यार why don't people just watch CNN? हम क्या बोल सकते हैं जो हम अमेरिका में नहीं बैठे हैं, नहीं पता हमें.
नहीं, a layman's perspective.
हमें क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
हाँ.
वैसे तू मुझे ये बता, अगर ट्रम्प जीत गया तो पाकिस्तान को क्या फर्क पड़ेगा?
I don't know. This is some boomer stuff. I
Boomer
don't know nothing
stuff.
about it.
What's not boomer stuff? Andrew Tate?
यार ये दूसरी कौम है, तू क्या पूछ रहा है? तुझे पता है इनकी गाड़ियाँ जो आ रही है ना,
तीसरी कौन?
तीसरी कौम है. इनकी जो नई गाड़ी आती है ना, देयर इज अ कवर अंडर द बॉनेट कि ये हाथ भी ना लगाए. इनको नहीं पता कि वहाँ मोबिलेल भी
Oh
होता है.
yeah, the new cars don't have like the
Exactly.
engine showing.
हाँ, बिकॉज उनको पता है कि ये हाथ लगाते हैं, ठीक है ना, ये डायरेक्ट फैन बेल्ट में हाथ ऐसे घुसा देते हैं. ये
No, but I have a lot of hope
हाँ,
from this generation.
वेरी मच सो.
They put things out in the way they should be put out.
हाँ.
Like no sugar coating and stuff.
हाँ
But जो है वो है.
हाँ. नो क्या?
No filter comb.
नो फिल्टर कॉम. ठीक है. तो ये बताएं कि व्हाट इज द मोस्ट फ्रैंक फीडबैक यू एवर गिवन एनीबॉडी?
Also, I can't tell that on camera.
यू कैन टेल दैट ऑन कैमरा.
क्यों? किसको दिए?
अच्छा, तूने AC/DC का पावर लाइन एल्बम सुना है?
No, I've heard their greatest hits. Not a big fan of AC/DC.
Acha.
Why are you wearing this?
Why are you wearing the t-shirt?
I got it from Sunday Bazaar and it was cheap.
अच्छा,
So I got it.
Oh,
ठीक है.
I can name 3 AC/DC songs by the way.
Okay, tell me 3 AC/DC songs.
Back in Black, obviously.
हाँ. 3 भी तूने बहुत ज़्यादा शो में कह दिए.
एक बोलना था.
तू कह रहे एक ही.
You Shook Me All Night Long by Kiss
That's not by Kiss.
and Raining Blood by Slayer.
अच्छा, so these are 3 AC/DC songs जिसमें 2 जो है ना, they are also including other band names.
No, one is by Slayer and one is by Kiss.
No, You Shook Me All Night Long is by AC/DC.
No, it's by Kiss.
अच्छा, so given कि you believe in very frank feedback and comments, अपना फ़ोन तो निकालना, लिख ले You Shook Me All Night Long. नहीं बैठ प्लीज प्लीज जहमत ना करें.
We'll do it.
हाँ, आप जो है आप जहमत ना करें.
हम करेंगे.
ये मैं अभी
कैमरा पिछली कैमरा लगा हुआ है ना, उसमें दिखाओ.
हाँ, ये उसमें मैं अभी दिखाता हूँ.
You want to be corrected
all
on camera?
night long. ठीक है, ये अब हम चेक करते हैं. ओके, ये जो है ना डायरेक्ट आ गया यहाँ. अगर आपको You Shook Me All Night Long song by AC/DC. The lyrics say she was a fast machine. She kept her motor
That's what I
clean.
mean when I say boomer stuff.
हाँ.
He didn't get my joke.
हाँ, अच्छा
What was the joke?
You won't get it.
अच्छा
I'm
अच्छा.
not a boomer.
नहीं वो ये है ना कि when you get it wrong, ये इस एज में होता है. Then you say
मैं तो मजाक कर
मैं तंग कर रहा था.
ये तो joke.
बाजी आपको समझ नहीं आई. नहीं, but we're happy to have you. We're happy.
We're happy that you're making us your lab rabbits.
हाँ
No, lab rats, not rabbits. But ये तो joke था.
हाँ.
I'm an experimental guy.
तो बस अब हम ख़त्म करते हैं. We've got some. I think we've introduced a great find to the public.
We've introduced a legend.
A legend
Wearing
of
an
podcasting.
AC/DC t-shirt.
हाँ
Who doesn't like AC/DC?
हाँ.
Yes, I hate them. I despise them.
What's
despise
your
them.
favorite band?
Porcupine Tree and Tool.
And
Tool.
Tool. अच्छा, ये तो दूसरा वाला तो boomer taste है.
Music का कोई taste नहीं होता ना?
How's that boomer?
It's very old stuff.
So old stuff isn't boomer.
तूने
It is-
अभी 12 मिनट का गाना
It's
उनका
just the
सुना है.
age
हाँ.
that makes people boomer.
अच्छा, ये मुझे बताओ, what does AC/DC stand for?
एक मिनट. DC stands for direct current.
हाँ.
AC stands for artificial current.
I love it. ठीक है.
If you want to know if it's actually artificial, you can put your finger in.
हाँ, artificial वाला चेक कर दो यार.
No, I'm not an experimental guy.
हाँ.
You're just
ठीक है.
experimenting with our podcast.
हाँ.
That's it.
But
Anyway.
thank you. नहीं, हम we're happy to have you. हमारा दवा भी है कि आप पॉडकास्टिंग सीख भी ले इस टाइम में. कैमरा भी.
हम दुआ करेंगे कि तुम जिस चीज के लिए हायर किए गए.
It was a learning day for you two guys.
हाँ.
We already learned it the last time.
नहीं, I think I was around 7 when I learned that the on button starts something.
It has a red circle.
Red circle. But anyhow, thank you so much.
Some people learn at 22. It's okay.
22, it's fine. It's a different thing. Lastly, कोई मैसेज यूथ के लिए.
किसके लिए?
यूथ के लिए.
अच्छा.
हाँ.
I only have dark stuff in my mind, so
अच्छा बता दो porcupine tree क्यों?
because it's, I can talk all day about it, but
You just talk about it for 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
okay. So I think the Lightbulb Sun song bite and the whole album is one of the greatest albums ever made because it's not something very proggy. It's not something very like like toolish that gives you a spiritual awakening or something like that. But it's something about childhood nostalgia. So if you listen to it and you listen to it like on the third shuffle, don't ever do that. Just listen it without any shuffle. The first song you listen to is the title track name, and if you listen to it and if you don't feel anything, then sorry brother, you cannot listen to real music.
I like it. That is a very
put
good
it on-
endorsement.
Don't put it on shuffle.
Yes. Album के क्या नाम है?
Lightbulb Sun.
Okay, I'll check this
It's an
out.
album released in
ठीक.
2000, March 20.
Okay, excellent. Great. मानते
Boy
हैं?
has sass.
हाँ, sass तो है.
Riz.
Yes, the reason I don't like AC/DC is because they were in the glam metal era, which ruined the image of metal. So that's why I don't like AC/DC.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
AC/DC and Guns N' Roses. I despise these.
Get up. Go out.
हाँ,
You're not allowed here.
हाँ.
You like Guns
You
N'
didn't have to.
I
say
love Guns N' Roses.
No, I have a different perspective on it.
Yes, that's why I'm asking you to.
नहीं नहीं आप relax करें. नहीं नहीं relax. But anyhow, we wish to thank you for being on the podcast,
Yes.
for your efforts, and
For you learn from every failure.
yes.
Would you guys like to have a rap?
A what?
A rap.
You have raps?
That was a pun.
हाँ.
Like a rap on the podcast. And
No, because you were sitting back there behind us eating something. I thought
that was
that's.
a rap.
हम तो समझे बिरयानी खा रहे थे तू.
It's a pun. Like
हाँ.
wrap this up, and would you guys like to have a rap?
हाँ.
See,
No, it was a good pun. We liked it.
Yeah.
I think you guys still don't get it, but
So,
छा गया तू. All right. Okay then, let's put it to close. We see each
yeah,
other Friday.
we don't
in
have
Tipu.
any guest. We know
हाँ.
who to put
Hey,
on the podcast.
chill. हाँ. When it cuts, then you can get up.
Yeah, you don't leave.
हाँ.
We can press the stop button. Don't
Yes.
worry.
हाँ.
What? You know where the frame is, so you're getting out of the frame by.
हाँ.
no.
पीछे गिर रहा है.
Getting out of
It's okay.
beanbag is a very
Tilt him a little backwards from here. That was sufficient motivation. Okay.
Okay, guys,
All
we're
right.
live. We recorded a podcast. Didn't go as expected. It was very good. I'll put up some of the clips from there with no audio,
हाँ.
and all due to Taha.
Yeah.
But we're alive, and we'll be back next week, probably with Tipu
Yes.
or without Tipu.
Or
I
without
think I
it.
should be a third partner in this podcast.
हाँ.
You are the third partner just behind the camera.
Yeah.
No, I should be on camera for these.
Find
people
your
to
own
get more
camera then.
views.
You need to have your own camera. For more views.
He'll bring in the youth eyeballs,
Yeah.
the Gen Zs.
It's Gen Z versus boomers.
I'm not a boomer, you.
No, I'm not saying you're a boomer. Only
Huh.
boomers say I'm not a boomer.
Boomer, millennial, Gen Z.
हाँ.
Only
No,
boomers
you Gen
say
Z or Gen
I'm
Alpha?
not a boomer. I'm Gen Z, not
Gen
Gen
Z.
Alpha.
I'm gonna
Ah.
bring a Gen Alpha too.
हाँ.
To shit on you.
Shit on him.
How do you think it's him?
No, him is a both. It's a plural thing.
Him is a plural thing.
Yes.
ठीक है. होगा. All right then, let's cut it now.
A wise
Done.
man once said not to argue with that.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much,
Thank
Taha.
you.
All right. See you guys.
Okay, bye.
That was the best podcast ever. I think you guys are